guys, welcome back to my channel. It has finally arrived, my Beautylish lucky bag for 2025. I ordered the extra large lucky bag, and I don't know, this is my fourth year maybe. Last year was a little bit of a disappointment. So hopefully this year, not so much. If you like this type of video, please go ahead and give this one a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And now let's go ahead and get into the unboxing of my Beautylish lucky bag, and this is the XL. Okay, it's packaged in Loving, California. That's probably why it arrived so early. Lucky bag 2025, and I can't remember. Is it year of? I don't know. I'm sorry if you're expecting that. Okay, let's dig in. All right, everything is packaged in one giant bag, and I could see some stuff. Well, I could see a lot of the stuff already. There's some Oribe stuff. I love Oribe. All right, let's see. Oribe Hair Alchemy, the Heatless Styling Balm. Okay, I'm really excited to try this guy. The Alchemy, I think, is their newest line, and it's supposed to be really reparative. I wonder if I could use this air dry. Okay, apply to damp hair and set with preferred heatless styling method. Can also be air dried to define waves and natural texture. So I think I could use it. I could use it as a curl cream. I'm gonna have to try it out. I do really enjoy Oribe products, usually the Gold Lust line. Okay, from Holly Frog, we got the Galili Hyaluronic Acid Hydrating Serum. I want to say I got Holly Frog. I can't remember if it was last year, but it was a sunscreen, and I did not like it at all. So hopefully this one will be good. I can't remember exactly. Oh yeah, I think they said the value is supposed to be over $350. So I'll have to do some math at some point. From You Beauty, the Plasma Lip Compound in the shade Tulle. Ugh, I got this one last year in a different shade. I think it was rose or something. And I want to say I did not enjoy it. And I know this is like 70 something dollars. I don't know. I might give it a shot. I might try it, or should I open it? Let's open it. Just because I got it last year doesn't mean that we shouldn't open it and swatch it. But if it is the product that I think of, like a tube, yeah, it is. It's same, like just different shade. Same thing. The one I got last year felt kind of gritty and not so exciting, but this is the shade Tulle. It doesn't feel gritty like that one. Maybe I'll have to try this one. Okay. Um, I got a Danessa Myricks, the Groundworks palette. I'm laughing because I already have this one. I want to say last year I got the pink one. But yeah, I do have that palette. Let me pull it up real quick. That's a bummer. Like I would have preferred to get a newer palette. It's a great palette, don't get me wrong. I've definitely loved mine and I do use it. So it's got the pomade and the powder. It's just a bummer. But hey, that's the gamble, right? Just because I have it, maybe somebody else does not have it. So, okay. Looks like some good molecules, energizing eye kit. It's wake up eye gel and then the caffeine eye patches. Okay. Are they both full sizes? Who knows? Yeah, maybe. All right. So there's the eye cream. I don't think I've ever tried their eye cream, only their eye patches. I'm excited. I'm excited for these. And I'm actually almost out of the eye cream I'm currently using. So this one says reduces signs of puffiness and plump the appearance of fine lines. Okay. Use it daytime and nighttime. Okay. Hopefully that works out. What do we have? What is this? Oh, we got a blush from Surah Beauty. What shade? Uh, Cherubique. Cherubique. I don't know how you'd say that. I'll have it on the screen listed. Okay. A really pretty shade. Really pretty shade. Ooh, yeah, that's gorgeous. I could see myself wearing that for sure. Oh, that's gorgeous. I love the packaging. It's so slim and sleek. I wonder if it's supposed to go in like a palette, but I don't mind. Yeah, it looks like we got a brush. Ooh, a fan brush. But this is from Sonia G. I love getting brushes. Just a fan brush. I will have to use it. Come on. Actually, okay. It's at least it's not so big. Like I have one from Refer and it's huge. Okay, I kind of like that. A little bit more controlled. Okay. I've got some highlighters that can be applied very lightly. Looks like a nail polish. Active Shine. This is from the manicurist. Illuminate and highlights and repairs. Cool. Okay, nail polish. And then one more product, and looks like it's a mini eyeshadow palette. And this is the Natasha Denona My Mini Dream Palette. Heck yeah. This I am very excited about because I do like taking those on travel, and I really like the Dream Palette, the full size. She's so pretty. She is really pretty. It's interesting. Both eyeshadow palettes we received are very neutral. Um, Hey, I guess the most I'm excited about, I really am excited about this Oribe product. Really excited about this one. The blush, really excited. The eyeshadow palette, excited. Everything. I think I was excited about everything except the Danessa Myrex. I just because I don't need it, I'll probably either have it on Poshmark or see if one of my friends want it. But yeah, but it's all right. Maybe I'll recoup some of the money I spent on the box. It was $150. I'll do some math and I'll have it listed on the screen if it actually was 150 or not. But I'm pretty happy with it. So this is what the styling balm from Alchemy looks like. And yeah, I'm very excited for this guy. Anyway, thank you so much for hanging out with me. I'm like, damn, am I forgetting anything? I don't know. Let me know what you guys got, if you got the box or if you skipped. I debated, but I was like, no, we got to do it. This has been like the tradition for 4 years now. And yeah, it's always fun, even though some stuff sometimes would be disappointing, but it's always fun. It's a gamble. I know that. It's a mystery bag. But anyway, let me know what you think of the box I received. Let me know if you would be excited about any of these products. Maybe I'll go ahead and do a giveaway with that eyeshadow palette. There's something I could do. Anyways, subscribe to my channel. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think, or if you got the box, what did you get? I'm very curious. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.